Biological diversity has become widely recognized as a critical conservation issue. The rapid destruction of the tropical rainforest featured the ecosystem with the highest known species diversity on Earth, has awakened people to the importance and fragility of biodiversity. The high rate of species extinctions in this environment is jolting, but it is important to recognize the significance of biological diversity in all ecosystems. As the human population continues to expand, it will negatively affect one after another of Earth's ecosystems. In terrestrial ecosystems and in fringe marine ecosystems, such as wetlands. The most common problem is habitat destruction. Habitat destruction. I can do it. I can solve the problem effectively. It's more than that. Data. And the routine elements interesting. In most situations, the result is irreversible. Now, humans are beginning to destroy marine ecosystems through other types of activities, such as disposal and runoff of poisonous waste. In less than 2 centuries, by significantly reducing the variety of species on Earth, they have unraveled cones of evolution and irrevocably redirected its courses. By significantly reducing the variety of species on Earth, they have unraveled cones of evolution. The irrevocably redirected its course. Certainly, there have been periods in Earth's history when mass extinction have occurred. The extinction of dinosaurs was caused by some physical event, either climatic or cosmic. There have also been less dramatic extinctions, and when natural competition between species reached an extreme conclusion. Only 1% of the species that have lived on Earth have survived to the present, and it was largely chance that determined which species survived and which died out. However, nothing has ever equaled the magnitude and speed with which the human species is altering the physical and chemical world and demolishing the environment. In fact, there is wide agreement that it is the rate of change humans are inflicting even more than the changes themselves that will lead to biological devastation. Life on Earth has continually been in flux as slow physical and chemical changes have occurred on Earth. Occurred on Earth. Occur. Occur. On Earth, but life needs time to adapt, time for migration and genetic adaptation within existing species, and time for the proliferation of new genetic material and new species that may be able to survive in new environment. The geology of the Earth's surface is dominated by the particular properties of water. Present on Earth in solid, liquid, and gaseous states, water is exceptionally reactive. It dissolves, transports, and precipitates many chemical compounds and is constantly modifying the face of the Earth. Evaporated from the oceans, water vapor from clouds, some of which are transported by wind over the continents. Condensation from the clouds provides the essential agent of continental erosion, rain. Precipitated onto the ground, the water trickles down to form brooks, streams, and rivers, constituting what is called the hydrographic network. This immense polarized network channels the water toward a single receptacle. And notion, gravity dominated this entire step in the circle because water tended to minimize its potential energy by running from high altitude towards a reference point that is sea level. The rate at which a molecule of water passes through the cycle is not random, but is a measure of the relative size of various reservoirs. If we define resistance time as the average time for a water molecule to pass through one of the three reservoir atmosphere, continent, and ocean, which is that the times are very different. A water molecule stays, on average, 11 days in the atmosphere, 100 years on the continent, and 40,000 years in ocean. This last figure shows the importance of the ocean as the principal reservoirs of the hydrosphere, but also the laboratory of water transport over the continent.
Dass man sie all die Jahre für einen plötzlichen Ausbruch eines verrückten Logicool oder Jazz oder diese Themen